At the end of the video, I will break down the cost of each item in my pencil pack. Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm sharing with you my silly packs. I am sending 50 of these to the processing center when I volunteer in December. First, I'll show you how I made the pencil bundle to go in the packs. There is a lady on Pinterest, Lois Sorensen, who I first saw stacked pencils with a sharpener like this one, and she put them in pretzel bags. She packs shoe boxes with her granddaughters, and if you have Pinterest, you should follow her. I am putting 5 pre-sharpened pencils in the empty space of the sharpener. Then, to make it silly and fun, I added a silly face slinky. I bought them in a pack of 50 from Amazon, and the quality is good. They do not easily break. I'm using a small piece of cellophane and a hair elastic to secure it all. I love that you can see the face through the cellophane. And as long as you put the elastic around 2 to 3 times, the pencil should stay in place. And it should be pretty secure. I added silly face stickers onto the notebook and put an extra for them to use. 2 silly face erasers. And then I'm putting in 2 joke cards with each pack to add to the silliness. I bought these off Amazon, and I put silly stickers on the back and Jesus loves you on others. By the way, happy Thanksgiving to all my American viewers. I love American Thanksgiving. We watch the parade every year and do a Thanksgiving meal as well, and we decorate our Christmas tree. So we love it, and I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday with your loved ones. And then I put the pack all together in a clear bag. Now, I asked the best person I could think to ask about pencil packs, and Denise over at D. Rogers reassured me I do not need to label my pencil packs. That is one less step that I have to worry about, and Denise has a lot of experience working in the processing center, so I will go with what she says. Everything I bought in bulk. The cellophane was 10 cents a piece, sharpener 8 cents, the slinky was 40 cents. The cheapest I could find online for pencils was 10 cents a piece, and I put 5 in each pack, so 50 cents. 2 erasers, 40 cents, and I'm impressed with the quality of these. I believe the brand is Mr. Pen. Notebook, 50 cents. Face stickers inside, 3 cents. $0.50 for the joke cards. Penny for the hair tie. And 11 cents for the bag and twist tie. So altogether $2.63 Canadian, and in American that is $1.89. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked these pencil packs, please like it, and I will talk to you in my next video.